Hello and welcome to this massive open online course on complex ecosystem dynamics. An ecosystem is an overall integration of whole mosaic of interacting organisms and their environment. The course is aimed to serve undergraduate, postgraduate and integrated basic ecosystem and ecological courses. This course shall provide knowledge of the basic concepts of ecosystems and its dynamics. This will equip the learner to develop a holistic perspective on the subject. By joining this course, it will not just increase your knowledge but widen the horizon of your understanding about diverse disciplinary perspectives and concepts of ecosystems.